हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस का एक्सरसाइज 5.1 कंटिन्यू करेंगे. फॉर द फॉलोइंग एपीज राइट द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस. फर्स्ट टर्म इज a and common difference is d. So the list of numbers is a 3, 1, -1, -3 and so on. A will be our first term, that is 3. d is equal to t2 minus t1, which is equal to 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 2. t is equal to t3 minus t2, which is equal to minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2. So since t2 minus t1 is equal to t3 minus t2, these are AP. Therefore a is equal to 3 and d is equal to minus 2. मिल गया. Next, -5, -1, 3, 7 and so on. A is what? -5. D is equal to t2 minus t1, which is equal to -1 minus of -5, which is equal to -1 plus 5, which is equal to 4. Correct? Now एक और बार चेक कर लेते हैं. D is equal to t3 minus t2, which is equal to 3 minus of -1, which is equal to 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. Correct? Therefore A is equal to -5 and D is equal to 4. क्योंकि D क्या होता है? एक फिक्स्ड नंबर होता है. यहाँ पे दोनों टाइम 4 आया, मतलब इट इज अ फिक्स्ड नंबर. करेक्ट? नेक्स्ट, 1/3, 5/3, 9/3, 13/3 and so on. A is what? 1/3. Next, 1/3, 5/3, 9/3, 13/3 and so on. A is what? 1/3. D will be t2 minus t1, which is equal to 5/3 minus 1/3, which is equal to 4/3. Correct? Next, D will be t3 minus t2, which is equal to 9/3 minus 5/3, which is equal to 4/3. Correct? Therefore A is equal to 1/3 and D is equal to 4/3. Correct? Next, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 and so on. A is equal to 0.6. D is equal to t2 minus t1, which is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6, which is equal to 1.1. Correct? 1.7 minus 0.6 is what? 1.1. आपको डेसिमल सब्ट्रैक्शन आता है. नेक्स्ट, D is equal to t3 minus t2, which is equal to 2.8 minus 1.7, which is equal to 1.1. Correct? Therefore A is equal to 0.6 and D is equal to 1.1. Correct? Next, which of the following are APs? मतलब अब कौन से लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स AP हैं? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. मतलब अगर ये AP है, so इसके अलावा आपको 3 और टर्म्स लिखने हैं. ठीक है? So पहले हम देखेंगे कि वो AP है कि नहीं. 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. A is what? 2. अब आपको अगर देखना है कि इसमें फिक्स्ड डिफरेंस है कि नहीं, तो आप D लोगे. तो D क्या होता है? A of k plus 1 minus A of k और t2 minus t1, which is equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. करेक्ट? अब हम नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. 16 minus 8 देख लो या 8 minus 4 देख लो. A k plus 1 is minus A of k, which is equal to 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4. Now, since 2 is not equal to 4, therefore the above terms are not in AP. अब ये terms not in AP है, मतलब आपका sum यही complete हो रहा है. So, क्योंकि बोला है कि if they form an AP, then only find the common difference and 3 more terms. They are not in AP. So, the above terms are not in AP. Hence, we will not find 3 more terms. Okay? Next, 2, 5/2, 3, 7/2 and so on. Here A is equal to 2, D is equal to A of k plus 1 minus A of k, which is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2. अब आप क्या करोगे, LCM ले लोगे, that is 5 minus 2 into 2, 4 upon 2, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Correct? 2 multiplied by 2 is what? 4, and नीचे common denominator आ जाएगा 2, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Similarly, D is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2, which is equal to 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 5 upon 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now, since 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, since 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, the given numbers form an AP, correct? अब आपको 3 more terms find करने हैं. So ये क्या है? T1, T2, T3, T4. T4 तक है 3 more terms, मतलब T5, T6, T7. A is 2, A is 2, D is 1 by 2. T4 तक है. So T5 क्या हो जाएगा? A plus n minus 1D, which is equal to A plus 4D, which is equal to 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, which is equal to 2 plus 2, 4. समझ में आया? 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 plus 2, 4. नेक्स्ट T6 क्या हो जाएगा? A plus 5D, which is equal to 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 plus 10 by 2. LCM ले लो. 2 2s are 4 plus 10, 14 by 2, which is equal to 7. Correct? Next, T7 is what? A plus 6D. A is what? 2 plus 6 into D is what? 1 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 plus 2 is what? 5. T6 is A plus 5D, which is equal to 2 plus 5 by 2, which is equal to 2 plus 5 by 2. So आप LCM ले लो. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 5 9. This will be 9 by 2. ठीक है? And similarly, A plus 6D will be A plus 6 into 1 by 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So 3 more terms are 4, 9 by 2, 5. Correct? Next. Minus 1 by 2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. A is equal to minus 1.2. D will be T2 minus T1, which is equal to minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2, which is equal to minus 3.2 plus 1.2, which is equal to minus 2. Correct? 3.2 minus 1.2 क्या हो जाएगा? 2. बट क्योंकि 3.2 का साइन बड़ा है, दैट इज माइनस, इसीलिए माइनस 2 हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली T3 माइनस T2 देख लो. T3 कितना है? माइनस 5.2 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 3.2, which is equal to minus 5.2 plus 3.2, which is again equal to minus 2. Now, since minus 2 is equal to minus 2, the given numbers form an AP, correct? तो हम क्या करेंगे? 3 more terms find करेंगे. ये कितना है terms? T1, T2, T3 and T4. Same T5, T6, T7 find out करोगे. A is 1.2, A is minus 1.2, A is equal to minus 1.2 and D is equal to minus 2. So T5 is equal to T6 is equal to T7 is equal to T5 क्या हो जाएगा? A plus 4D. Why? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D, where n is 5 minus 1 4D. A plus 4D is equal to minus 1.2 plus 4 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 1.2 plus 8. करेक्ट? सो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 6.8. नेक्स्ट T6 is equal to A plus 5D, which is equal to minus 1.2 plus 5 into minus 2, विच इज इक्वल टू -1.2 प्लस 10, करेक्ट। तो ये कितना हो जाएगा 8.8। नेक्स्ट T7 क्या हो जाएगा A प्लस 6D विच इज इक्वल टू -1.2 प्लस 6 इंटू -2 विच इज इक्वल टू -1.2 प्लस 12 which is equal to positive 10.8. So your 3 points are 3 more terms are 6.8, 8.8, 10.8 and so on. करेक्ट। यहाँ पे आप पूरा AP लिखोगे, मैं खाली 3 टर्म्स जो मैंने फाइंड किया है वो लिख रही हूँ, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट -10, -6, -2 प्लस 2 एंड सो ऑन। A इज इक्वल टू -10, करेक्ट। सो D क्या हो जाएगा T2 minus T1 which is equal to -6 minus of -10 which is equal to -6 plus 10 which is equal to 4, correct। 10 minus 6 is 4. Next D is equal to T3 minus T2 which is equal to -2 minus of -6 which is equal to -2 plus 6 which is equal to 4. So since 4 is equal to 4, the above terms form an AP, correct। therefore हमें और 3 टर्म्स ढूंढना है। दिस इज T1, T2, T3 and T4. so T5, T6, T7, A is -10, D is 4. so T5, T6, T7, करेक्ट। T5 क्या हो जाएगा A प्लस 4D विच इज इक्वल टू -10 प्लस 4 इंटू 4 विच इज इक्वल टू -10 प्लस 16 विच इज इक्वल टू 6, करेक्ट। 4 4 जा 16। T6 इज A प्लस 5D विच इज इक्वल टू -10 प्लस 5 इंटू 4 विच इज इक्वल टू -10 प्लस 20 विच इज इक्वल टू 10, correct। and T7 will be A plus 6D which is equal to -10 plus 6 into 4 which is equal to -10 plus 24 which is equal to 12. therefore 3 more terms will be 6, 10, 12, ठीक है। यहाँ पे आप पूरा लिखोगे, thus the new AP is and 3 और terms include कर दोगे, ठीक है। सो व्हाट हैव यू लर्न टुडे। आज हमने आपका फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज कंटिन्यू किया। आपने देखा कि हम कितना इजी है अगर आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है एपी है कि नहीं। अगर एपी है तो आपको और टर्म्स इंक्लूड करना है, अगर एपी नहीं है तो सब वही एंड करना है। ये चैप्टर बहुत इजी है। सो दिस इज वेरी स्कोरिंग। आई एम अगेन सेइंग प्रैक्टिस डेली। मैथ्स रोज प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपको अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा। सो प्रैक्टिस डेली एंड हैव अ गुड रिविजन। थैंक यू।